Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Um, Today we're doing a glitch that a lot of people know by now. It's the, like, you go to the Forgotten Desert with one of your friends or somebody, and then you go to their den, and the, counting the shards is still there. And if your friend doesn't leave, then if they get a prize, you'll get it too. But you can still trade and stuff. It's complicated. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I kind of just told you, but I'm gonna show you how it works. Um, I guess I'll do it alone. I don't know what we're doing. Oh, Jenny! Jenny! Until we get there. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording for a second. Okay, so we're about to do the glitch. I'm gonna do the glitch. Okay. Um, so this is how you do it. So we're in the Forgotten Desert, and you click right right there, and you go to somebody's den. Um, she locked her den, seriously. Okay, and I go to her den, and do you see the count? I don't know. Okay, right there. Um, is the count, and they're just getting the shorts, and I'm not even doing anything. It's nice, and this doesn't even fix when Liza says it's finished. Liza's wrong this time. Illegal Eliza was wrong. Because it ends when you reload. Because the game still thinks that you're in the adventure. And to them, you didn't even leave, you just disappeared. Even if you have your stuff, on your game, like I'm playing it right now. Oh my gosh, wait, it's actually the Forgotten Desert music. Okay, but even if like, oh, this is weird. Oh, both music is playing together. So, but anyway, yeah, that is the glitch. So I'm gonna cut the thing until I get a chest by doing something. No, nothing at all. Okay, see you guys in a second. Hey guys, so I forgot to record me getting what I got, but I didn't get anything good. But it's the first try, and at least I still got something. So I got a flag. Um, that's kind of the end of the video. But I love you guys. And I'll see you later. Bye. Mwah. Bye.